Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Savita and today I will share two powerful tips to remove blockages, obstacles, negative energy and negative thoughts from our life. For the first tip, you will take a lemon and cut it into half and squeeze it and remove all the juice. You can use the lemon juice, no need to waste it. And then you will turn this inside out like this, and you will put a cotton wick in this, and you can use sesame oil, that is til oil, or mustard oil, any one oil you can use. And this lemon you will keep in a plate of salt. You can use a ceramic plate or a clay bowl. And for salt, you can use normal salt, rock salt, Himalayan pink salt or black salt. I have already made a video on how to make black salt. You can watch it later. And this lamp you will keep in a place where you feel negative energy is more, or anywhere in your house or your shop or office you can keep this. If you have kids or pet, then be careful of fire and don't leave it anywhere. Okay, and once this is completely burned, you will discard the salt and the lemon diya in the dustbin. Okay, and you can do this daily or on every Saturday, or what you can do is do this daily for 21 days and then repeat it on every Saturday. Okay, for time, you can do this at any time as per your convenience. For the second tip, you will take a small lamp, that is diya. You can take any lamp that you have, and you will use sesame oil, mustard oil or coconut oil. Any one oil you can use in this. And in this you will put 7 black pepper, whole black peppers, not broken. Okay, and this lamp you will have to burn for 7 days daily, in the morning and in the evening. Okay, so it is better you take a small size lamp. So in the morning you will burn this lamp. When it is fully burned, you will throw away the peppers and wash the diya and light a fresh one in the evening after sunset. And again you will add 7 peppers. So every day 14 black peppers you will need, 7 for morning and 7 for evening. So for total 7 days you will need 98 black peppers. And the peppers you can throw in the dustbin, okay, or you can keep it under any tree. And when you are burning these lamps, you will keep an intention that all your blockages and obstacles are gone. And this, you can repeat this process whenever you feel there is a lot of negativity around you, or that things are not working for you, lot of blockages you are facing. You can do this. If you have any doubt, write it in the comment section. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.